Ever wondered about the secrets hidden within a single drop of water? Welcome back to another episode of Microscopic Marvels, where today we're shrinking down to reveal the universe within a drop of water. Get ready to encounter the breathtaking, the diverse, and the life forms that will challenge your understanding of life as we know it. Imagine a bustling city, full of activity and diversity, but it's all happening in a single drop of water. From vibrant bacteria to single-celled protists, the inhabitants of this world are tiny yet crucial players in a microscopic ecosystem. Their interactions, a ballet of life on a scale we're only beginning to appreciate. Yet the marvel doesn't stop there. Within these tiny organisms, another level of life plays out. Witness the marvel of intricate structures like mitochondria generating energy and the delicate dance of chromosomes during cell division. It's a spectacle of life, occurring billions of times over within that single drop. Some inhabitants of our drop of water are truly extraordinary. Take the legendary tardigrades or water bears. These microscopic marvels can survive extreme temperatures, radiation, and even the vacuum of space. And then, there are extremophiles, organisms that thrive in environments we consider uninhabitable. From boiling hot springs to the deepest ocean trenches, they challenge our understanding of life and where it can exist. The best part? You don't need a high-tech lab to explore this microcosm. A simple microscope and a drop of water from a nearby pond, or even a puddle, can unlock a world of wonder right at your fingertips. Imagine the stories waiting to be discovered. Remember, a drop of water is more than just water. It's a world teeming with life, beauty, and stories waiting to be told. So, come along on this journey of discovery. You never know. You might even find your own microscopic marvel. Don't forget to join us for more adventures in the unseen world.